Hey guys, I'm playing Words with Friends with Jenny. Say hi, Jenny.
Hello.
No, you have to look.
Hello.
Okay, she just played jail. Let's see. I don't know what to play. Oh, is there an R somewhere? I'm sure I'll think of something. Okay, I figured it out. So I'm gonna play. Ooh. Oh, what am I doing? See? Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah. Can you see the score? Oh, poor Jenny. 284 to 88 so far. It's okay, we still have 27 letters remaining. It's not. Okay, let's try and find another word. Was there an N? I can do this. Look. What are words that start with that? With Zeno. Is that a word? Let me see. Look in the dictionary. Zeno. Big old words, never mind.
You already played?
No. Oh wait, yeah I did. I played a while ago. Wait, did you get the one that... Did you get faint?
No.
Oh, what the heck?
It's waiting on.
Yeah, I sent it.
Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Whoa. Calm down.
Whoa.
Over. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hee, I won. I won with a Q left. Look at that stupid Q. Good game, Jenny.
I'm tired. I have to wake up. I'm tired.
Good game.
Good game.
Okay, good night.